Hello guys, this is not a usual tutorial I do. It's a review on a new Rubik's Cube I got from a Canadian speed cube shop. It was called Cubing Out Loud. It's called the Mofang Jiasho magnetic. It's magnetic. It's from Moyo. It's stickerless. So let us unbox it. So we have the cube here. It has some nice shades. We have a stand. And well, there's a box. There's a smaller box. And there's this. And it has a screwdriver and just a few cards and stuff. So there's this guy here. This guy looks like the same guy. It's all written in Chinese. And we have this Chinese pamphlet. Shows you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm not gonna get into that. You can watch my tutorials on how to solve it. It comes with this stand and the screwdriver. So the shapes are quite good and it has a matte finish to it. It's magnetic, so you can see that when I do this, it comes back. And it's sort of a matte finish, so let us make our first turns. The corner cutting is really good. Like, goes about 40 degrees, 45 degrees. So, really good. And reverse corner cutting is quite good as well. So, this is where it can do it. And it's magnetic, so let us make our first turns. Yeah, it's quite smooth, and it's not tight, but we can see that the magnets are not, you can't see the magnets, they're inside the plastic. And if you want to make adjustments, you have to take the cap off. So I'm not gonna do that right now. Yeah, the turning is good, the corner cutting is good. This is one of the more affordable magnetic cubes. So I haven't tried the more expensive ones, but this is quite good, especially for the price. You can go to the website and buy this. Yeah, it's quite good. It has good corner cutting, good reverse corner cutting. Subscribe, share, like, and turn on the notification bell. See you on the next video.